Kanak. Naku, you see, here is the special, the tandoor. We call this tandoor. They're making roti like this now.
Yeah, I like that.
You like tandoor. And now here is the general dish. It's called. There is the general dish. And every day they cook it fresh, everything. Now they also make sweet also. They're making sweet also. This is laddu. Very well. It's not sad. This is Naku, your favorite, laddu. Naku favorite for laddu. Suji. This is they make every day. And here is the different salad. Different salad is here now.
Bigger kitchen, main road sector.
Mr. Shahid? Yeah, Mr. Shahid. Dal Muhammad Sani. One here and one here. Okay. Now is our quorum is complete. Now is quorum is complete. So I say until this quorum is not complete, don't bring the tea. Because
Don't bring the food.
don't bring the because the food is you take hot there is cold there is
Very good.
Yeah.
I find the most.
So we have to take care everyone. So Datu Majid, Datu Muhammad Sani, Mr. Magat. And Datu Zumaidi. Yeah, Datu Zumaidi. Yes. Yeah, Datu Zumaidi. How are you, Datu Zumaidi?
Fine.
Okay. So
That's the
Shahid, my friends.
Yes. You know what? I didn't tell you.
Okay.
It's in the car.
Okay.
I'll send you the electronic copy later.
Okay.
Or you can get it from.
So now food serving. Today is special as per the request of Dr. Majid.
Yeah.
Today is special thumbing. Baby lamb biryani. Pakistani biryani, baby lamb. Especially for as per request of Datu. Because Datu like the biryani, no?
Yeah.
So Pakistani biryani. So and Datu Sani also like the Pakistani biryani and myself also.
So virgin lamb, not baby lamb.
Young one.
Young one. So and together with the lamb fry. So
And the bread also coming, right?
no, only rice, no bread, no. If you like bread, then it will be bread. I'll be up to you. So okay, thank you, Mr. Ushan.
You know, in better answer, we need to use resource estimation.
Yeah, because that's why I need to do the prospect, some type of investment prospect.
Yeah, okay.
So
We can do it.
This is we use as a habitat.
Actually, I wanted to contact the bird, so we need permission from the bird. I was trying to ask the bird of Australia, Japan, I said it's returned the bird.
But think of what
You are educated where?
In Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Yeah. We get.
You want to take trouble, I don't know.
This Bible already come out. I'm afraid they're going So because we wake up, Mr. Grab for 1 hour, so that's already hungry. I said, okay, I get something for you.
So now that can start, no problem.
But no sweet, huh?
I know sweet, doesn't that all? But take sweet,
Then can you sleep at night? Will disturb somebody else?
Yeah. You know, nowadays onion price here in Malaysia?
Expensive, huh? Cheap.
8 ringgit per kg.
Before?
Yesterday I took for house. My wife said, I said go and bring from the down now the say 1 kg, 8 ringgit. Oh, what is that? Yes. हाँ? एक और आ रहा है। कम इंतजार करेंगे। दादू? स्पेशल लैम्ब बिरयानी, पाकिस्तानी बिरयानी। Okay. This is
This is for me now.
Okay.
If you want like this, then this is mine.
This is special for bonus with this. Okay. I come this side, you this side.
Wow, mashallah.
Wow. That's the gravy.
ये रोटी भी है। ये सलाद है। अब रेडी सलाद है। ये जरा मुझे एक सेकंड ये No, take for no problem.
Nak confirm this evening jadi ya meeting. Jadi ya. I don't know that is not Michael.
This is lamb biryani.
Simply
This is the lamb biryani. This is the relish of biryani, and this one is the mutton kadai, special mutton kadai. Boneless. Special mutton kadai, boneless. So you can see proper. And now please take. Okay, okay. No, you take. I take. I know from where what I take.
Okay.
That's special.
Okay, thank you.
अगर टेबल की जरूरत है तो
You have bread also. None is there.
Not in there.
More.
डाल सर आप समझे किसी मेहरबानी करना करते था नजर डबल है
Table for him. Okay. Thank you.
Very nice.
ओके वो राइट में लेकर आए राइट चलेगा So Datu, how do you feel like this? Amen. Close.
Nice.
Remember back when I in Pakistan last time?
Yeah, this is you visited Lahore.
Yeah, I live in Lahore.
Okay, Lahore. Oh, nice. So the test what comments about the test?
Yes?
Yeah.
It'll be the same.
Same as in Lahore.
तो व्यूअर्स आप देख रहे हैं कि हमने यहाँ पर आज स्पेशल ये प्रोग्राम बनाया कि हमारी बिजनेस मीटिंग के बाद हम इकट्ठे हों और मलेशियंस को बताएं कि पाकिस्तानी फूड कैसा होता है। तो ये स्पेशली लैम्ब बिरयानी का क्या योर कमेंट्स अबाउट दिस सुपर वेरी नाइस थैंक यू दादू एंड दादू
Marvelous.
marvelous and very delicious and Datu Sri. So Datu Sri is especially giving the comments about this other foods.
Yeah.
And Mr. Shahid is also here. He is a Pakistani, but he cannot say anything because I know that Pakistani people the taste of the mashallah. So we are enjoying here, and you can also join us. Whoever is willing to join us, they should have to be asked. With our program, I want to join and I will invite them. So, जो भी कोई हमारा प्रोग्राम देख रहा है और मलेशिया में कोलालमपुर में है और मैं ज्वाइन करना चाहता है, तो हम उससे कहते हैं कि हमारे प्रोग्राम पर लिख कर हमें कमेंट्स करें और हमें रिक्वेस्ट भेजें, हम उसको अपने नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम के अंदर हम उसको अपना गेस्ट बनाएंगे. ओके, सो फॉर एवरीवन, either they are my friends and they are only our viewers. I don't difference our friends and viewers. So whoever wants to willing to join us, they should have to be asked me and I will call them.
Welcome everyone.
Oh, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. तो हम खाना खिलाने में मसरूफ हैं और खाना खा रहे हैं और हमारे ये this is the yogurt. You asked him about lassi now. So Pakistani people are also taking lassi, but this is the special. This is not sweet. This is the saltish, and they inside the black pepper, the yogurt. So we said is raida. Raida is a very famous dish in the Arab and Pakistan too. It's biryani, rice, everything is Arab and Pakistan and India, our continental things, no? So Mr. Shahid was willing to give some comment during the eating, no?
बहुत मज़ेदार माशाल्लाह, खाना बहुत मज़ेदार है. ये कढ़ाई तो क्या ही बात, ज़बरदस्त टेस्ट है.
बोले सर मेरी रिकमेंडेशन थी सबको सर्कल लाइक.
बोलने हमने जो हमारे सीनियर बेटर है खुर्रम की सीनियर बेटर है पाक पंजाब रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर 10 साल से इनकी रिकमेंड के ऊपर हमने बोनलेस बनवाई है.
Short form for Pakistan.
Yes, short form and Pak is also mainly Pak na. Tahara.
Meaning is clean.
Pak Punjab is the province of the Pakistan, Punjab. Pak Punjab. So this is the restaurant of Pak Punjab. His owner is Mr. Nadeem.
Yes, sir.
And he is also my good friend. And Mr. Shahid is also my good friend.
It's all because of Mr. Asad. Mashallah, he's arranging this kind of events and programs and also invite so many people. तो इनकी मोहब्बत है कि ये बुलाते हैं माशाल्लाह लोगों को. अल्लाह ताला इनको मज़ीद इनके रिस्क में ज़्यादा बरकत की है. I'm just praying for him.
So I am requesting to my friends only pray for every Muslim and nowadays pray for every human whoever is living in the planet. Allah will save them with the corona and other diseases. This is my theme of our program. We should have to join together. Now world is very small, but from last 1 year we are very far away from everyone. We cannot go to meet our friend's house. We cannot shake hands the people because of the corona. We cannot meet them our elders and who are living other countries. People are currently going out and come back, but now everyone is come. So we start this khana khilana and milna milana. Milna milana suggestion of Mr. Shahid. We just start khana khilana. Then he said, oh, add one word, milna milana. He will explain why they add. Yeah, milna milana. What is the meaning of milna milana?
Like get together.
Get together.
So not only eating together, but get together.
Khana khilana, eating
Means
together.
knowing each other, so that we can interact, cooperate with each other. With Malaysian community, Pakistani community, mix together. So it's like, mixing together. So it's community development.
Khana khilana makan sudah. Sudah makan.
Only eating. So purpose is not only eating together, but it's like mixing together. Community mix up, build up.
After 1.5 months. Last 1.5 months, I am not taking rice. I am waiting now, but that is inviting us now for biryani. So I am keep waiting now. No, normally we are taking 2 time meal only, morning and evening, not taking lunch. So, but my health is not good, so I skip the rice.
So means that 1 month time only we can repeat, huh?
Yeah. So next time, Datu will tell me that where they want to go. Our last visit was you see in that video?
Yes.
That was there?
No, is it?
Yeah. Steamed fish, jumbo prawn, and crab last time, huh? What is the name of the place? Banti. Curry Island. This is last time, huh? Yeah. Datu, anything? Please. Yeah, come to me. उस तरफ से
Sure? One thing.
Is it good? Delicious. If 5 star. 5 star.
Okay. Datu Sri give 5 star. Thank you, Datu. Thank you very much.
शायद मैं अब कॉल पे आ गए
I give 5 3/4.
5 3/4.
6 star rating.
Then we have. Then I have to go to the Burj Al Arab. Huh? Burj Al Arab.
Same like
Burj Al Arab. That's why I say no, don't take anything. Because I know that you like there and you should have to take more. In my country, when the marriage ceremony going on and other things, people inviting the dinners.
Like this.
So we right like this. And then either to bring cold season now, when we are going to dinner, we will take biryani, this kind of heavy food, we take like this. And this is very good for health, as you know well. So now we are enjoying here our food, and it's very nice food. And I am very thankful to Mr. Vishal. They are capturing whatever we are talking here and explaining to them. And after that, they will not on YouTube. So, in soon, Datu, Majid, Datu Sani, and Datu Sri will be very famous in Pakistan. Everyone know, oh, this is Datu Sri. But you know, oh, he is right. Huh?
Which
Huh?
is the whole
Yeah. Yeah. So everyone who are coming here in Malaysia, they are willing to be
PMTV, yeah?
PMTV and AQ Global.
Now sport is like this, huh?
Where Datu say, oh,
That's why yesterday so asked me to check.
I done all the things, my blood culture, urine culture, everything covered and everything is normal.
Yeah, nowadays you go, they will check you for
So, you know, before any meeting that they ask, okay,
I asked him, why you are very sickly? Go and see doctor. He said, blood test, okay.
now you are coming office now, you see my report now. Excellent report, doctor say excellent.
Then why you get sick?
Not because
Whatever call you.
So, kita ada sistem ni.
Close up is fine.
Macam every club tu kan, tapi we
Now
comply all the requirements.
we are enjoying the mint tea.
Yes.
So Purna, this is the mint tea with sugar.
Yes,
But
You are already you added. Oh,
It's
okay, no
I know.
That one easy sugar.
little bit not.
Too sweet. You add some, bring another one without sugar.
Okay, no problem.
I already sweet, so I don't
Okay, bring without sugar and one. Okay. Leave Datu.
You're already sweet.
So Datu can take this sweet green tea, and Datu Sri also can take. So after we finish our lunch, we enjoy this green tea and because
Any cooperacy can get
company.
But normally it's easy to get it.
It's very difficult.
The way he is saying,
tell me about this tea.
is it because your company is very strong?
This is a special tea.
Special green tea.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is Highland tea.
क्या करना है?
Highland tea.
Highland tea. Highland.
Means tea planted in Highland.
And they say that. Check.
Nice.
Hey,
Good.
Cameron Highland and Sabah tea.
Cameron Island and Sabah tea. Like this Malaysian one of the part of the Cameron Island. In Cameron Island, very cold weather there, and there is a lot of plantation of the fruits and vegetables and other things. And Sabah is the another state of the very high place, and there is also cool weather, and there are plantation of there all the things, and many vegetables in the Cameron Island, tomato, carrot, cucumber, a lot of vegetable fruits, strawberry. And others, many fruits in the Cameron Island. It's very good place, it's Cameron Island for visitors. So we are enjoying the mint tea here now. After that we are going to be finished about this today Khana Khilana.
Excuse me.
No problem.
Why did you change? Too sweet.
Yeah. No. Close. आप चाय के बाद कुछ नहीं यानी nothing कुछ close everything is done कुछ नहीं बस stop okay so now our friend is talking in
May bolo na?
May bolo okay
Very nice. Thank you so much. I want to talk. But
yeah you were talking about like that one of the famous politician Zulfikar Ali Bhutto grandson Bilawal Bhutto who are acting like this Bilawal Bhutto they follow that they cannot speak proper Urdu.
He has got Pakistan blood.
So now everywhere in Malaysia we are meeting with the people after 2-3 Datu then I said my forefather. And you know that our blood start from where? Tell me.
India.
No. Our blood start from peace be upon him Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Adam alayhi salam. First Payghambar. Adam. First Payghambar. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So our blood start from here. Correct. Throughout the world, if you can have the technology, you can start go Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. We are all of the child of Adam. So we are of a brother, blood relations.
I'm related to Nazir Bhutto.
So am I right or wrong? Tell me now. Yeah.
Saddam Hussein is my uncle.
Yeah.
No.
I met them Gaddafi twice. 2 times I did with Gaddafi. Gaddafi, yes.
I think Gaddafi too.
Oh.
I mean, Saddam Hussein too.
Oh no, I supposed to I go there, but unfortunately at the last moment the war started. Iraq and America. Before this, I visited to the Libya. I met twice Gaddafi. I make lunch 2 times like this. One time because there is not table, there is the floor. They make like very big
I met him not in Tripoli. I met him in Geneva.
No, I became the police.
In Geneva. Saddam Hussein in Baghdad.
Oh.
Where is Musharraf?
Musharraf in Dubai.
Not in.
Not in Pakistan. Dubai. They are
prison? No.
no.
Huh?
No. Not Musharraf is not present. Nawaz Sharif was, but now is also in
Really?
Nawaz Sharif, no, not that. Nawaz Sharif also alive in UAE.
Oh, you
His daughter is now start politicking in Pakistan. Mr. Jinnah. Who is Jinnah? Not PM. The founder of Pakistan. Mr. Jinnah.
President.
He was only the lawyer. When they joined Congress, then they feel, oh, a Muslim is minority and Muslim cannot get the rights, whatever the rights Muslim have. Then they make Muslim League. Muslim League means Muslim will follow this. And they start struggle to make Pakistan. And Allama Iqbal, our poet, they see the dream of Pakistan. So Qaeda have done their job, whatever they done. But whoever at that moment, they don't want to follow the Qaeda and they give the theory. They don't want to follow the theory. When the Pakistan build up, they join with the government and push all them whoever deserve to get the right position in the Pakistan government. And whoever they deny and they destroy Muslim League and they don't want to go to the Qaeda, he came out in the government. From that day, the problem started. Otherwise, Pakistan become a tiger of the Muslim country, become the superpower of the Muslim country. You know what happened with the Bangladesh? The East Pakistan separate after 30 years. And now, what is the status? Bangladesh. This is not poor Bangladesh economy, more better than Pakistan. It's not recently. Now, that time when Bangladesh condition is very poor, because the government in the proper people hand, and all over the Jewish and Maghrib, we call Maghrib, they don't want to Pakistan become strong. They play from the beginning, and they are using those guys who is against the Qaeda still. They are playing with them and destroy the Pakistan economy and destroy the Pakistan brand also together. That's why Pakistan is not, because Pakistan is giving aid to the Malaysia. When Mahathir was the Prime Minister, Pakistan gave aid.
Used to.
Give to the Indonesia. Saudi Arab, Pakistan give. Saudi king, Pakistan funding. UAE, Pakistan funding. And Pakistan International Airline, mother of the 5 international airline now. But now what happened is Pakistan International Airline? Because the Pakistan government is not in the proper hand. If the Pakistani government is in the proper hand, Pakistan is the number 2 or number 1 in the world.
Mr. Khan doesn't do good
Mr.
job.
Khan is.
You only play cricket.
So today, our Khan is very important because we are discussing with our Muslim nation. And you know, if you go anywhere in the world, if you're talking about the Muslim, the Pakistan is number 1. Why? They give the prefer to Pakistan because they know. Who knows? Israel knows. Maghrib knows. West knows. Only Pakistan people have energy. They can fight all over the world alone. No one country have the like this position. That's why they just want to destroy the Pakistan. but unfortunately, our people, whoever deserve, they are very simplistic. They like, okay, Allah will give and then they will. Oh no,
Yes.
we should have to take your right by force.
That's fine.
Then so anyhow, Alhamdulillah, our today episode will be finished. So Mr. Vishal, we are standing here, and now today you take our pictures of our friends who will join today. तो हम एक फोटो अपने खाना खिलाने का आज का प्रोग्राम हमारा खत्म हुआ है। हम यहाँ पर अपना एक फोटो सेशन करना चाहते हैं और मिस्टर विशाल से जो गुजारिश करूँगा कि वो इस खाने खिलाने इधर आइए प्लीज। इधर बैकग्राउंड पीछे कर लेंगे प्लीज। मेरे मोबाइल पे ले लो। तो प्लीज इधर शायद प्लीज इधर आ जाए प्लीज इधर ये आज हमने आपका खाना खिलाना अपना प्रोग्राम AQ ग्लोबल का खाना खिलाना प्रोग्राम था जो हमने आज पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट पहली मरतबा हमने चुना है। तो हम पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट में किसी में आए हैं, हमारा सीरीज चल रही है, तो हमें अच्छा लगा और आपका खाना माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा था। ठीक है, थैंक यू। तो नाज़रीन, आज का हमारा ये खाना खिलाने का प्रोग्राम इख्तिताम पसीर होता है और जैसा मैंने आपसे पहले कहा, AQ ग्लोबल की टीम आपको हमेशा खुदा खुशामदीद कहेगी अपने हर प्रोग्राम में। जो हमारे खाना खिलाने के प्रोग्राम से मुंसलिक होना चाहता है वो हमें मैसेज करे, हमारे सब्सक्राइब करे और हमें मैसेज करे। हम उसको भी इंशाल्लाह ताला अपने नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम में या जैसे जैसे मौका मिलता जाएगा उन्हें बुला करेंगे। आज का स्पेशल प्रोग्राम हमारे दादू माजिद की रिक्वेस्ट पे था, इन्होंने कहा कि हमने बिरयानी खानी है और पाकिस्तानी बिरयानी। तो हमने ये पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट चुना। ये बड़ा फेमस रेस्टोरेंट है मलेशिया के अंदर और हम आपको जो है अभी जैसे दिखाते आए फूड स्ट्रीट, यहाँ की मलेशिया की पाकिस्तानी फूड स्ट्रीट है ये। तो जैसा हमने आपको दिखाया था, तो इंशाल्लाह तबारक ताला हम आइंदा भी मिलते रहेंगे। बहुत शुक्रिया मलेशिया। थैंक यू सो मच। लड्डू राजू खाते हैं।
This one is my recommendation.
नाजरीन, ये जो आप नाइट विज़न का वीडियो क्लिप समाप्त फरमा रहे हैं, ये इसलिए यहाँ पर ऐड किया गया है कि आप देखें कि कोविड-19 से पहले हमारी मलेशिया की कोलालमपुर की ये पाकिस्तानी फूड स्ट्रीट, जिस पे ये पाकिस्तान के नाम से मुख्तलिफ पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट है जो पाकिस्तानी खानों के लिए पूरे कोलालमपुर मलेशिया में, बल्कि मलेशिया के दूसरे शहरों के अंदर भी बहुत मशहूर है। जो भी कोई पाकिस्तान से या कहीं से भी आता है तो इस फूड स्ट्रीट का ज़रूर रुख करता है। So now viewers, you are watching this night vision of the photo session. This old video we are adding here. This is the video from before the coronavirus. You can see the many people are sitting on the road and enjoying the Pakistani food. This is the Pakistani food street in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, like Pakistani food street. And all over the Malaysian people are coming and enjoying here. But nowadays, everything is closed and people are sitting only inside the restaurant, and few people can sit only in the restaurant because of the COVID-19. So this old video I am sharing here for just for your explanation that before corona and after corona.